Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to update and change the design here that we have for your email. So when we created this email earlier, we have allowed Craftify to go ahead and pop it into a standard template. But let's go ahead and edit that and change it to be something that we might want. So let's go to edit email body here. And this is going to be part one of this series of tutorials because we really want to go through and see everything that's going on. So right now, I don't have any templates to show for myself because I haven't made any. But if you come over here to the right-hand side, you can see the predefined templates. Now, a lot of our predefined templates have smart values. So the smart values are going to automatically keep all of the information that we're working on with here, but in a new and different format for these templates. You can see there's quite a few here for you to choose from. So I'm going to go here and just start off with maybe this one here. Now, when it chooses this, I'll hit yes, replace, and we're going to find all of my information still here. This is a welcome back kind of template. So you can see that it's a little bit different from the one we had before. Maybe we want to change it over here to this template. You can hit replace. All right, we can come up and we can see this is like a thank you. So a service summary kind of email. Maybe let's come down and see a different one. Let's find this one. All right, replace here. We can see all of our same information is here, but we've got a little bit of a different layout. We even have a different section here. And what we can do is we can even edit this further. Once you've defined which template you like the best, we can roll with that. However, you can also build your own template as we go. So I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side panel. We're going to hit the plus sign here. This is where we can add different sections, different dividers, areas of text, links, link blocks, different media with images. We can add interactive things. All of these things we can add here, okay? So let me just show you how easy it is to add. So if we want to add an image to this, you just click and drag and you can add it to which section you would like to put it in. So from here, we can also choose an image that we want to upload, or we can add one from the visual designer. By using the visual designer, we can pick up an image we've already made or created prior to this. So let's say I'm really happy with this one. We can choose this one. All right, and I'm going to add that to my craft. And here you'll see that that is going to add it here. We can add this image directly into this part of our email. It's pretty simple on how you can edit. We can stretch to change the size. We can replace the media easily by choosing a different image. And you can overall decide to remove it if you'd like. Now, we can also add gridded items, which is a great way to also show some pictures. I like to also add this here so we can add different items with different text, different titles. This is a great way to show off your products in an email. I'm just showing you a few of these different linked blocks that you can add to your email. So we can add another text section if we like. Maybe we want to have to add a quote, or let's just say we want to have a section that is split into 3. We can add that section here through these tables here. Then we can add different information down here. So let's say we want to add an image into that section, and we can do that just like that, and then add other pieces to that cell. Now, it's pretty simple. We're going to move on to another tutorial next time. I'm going to show you what else we can do with the email designer.